Buuin mo na, buuin mo na. Put it down. Galing ah. Oh, look mo.
No. Oh, I wrote this up.
No.
Where's another one? Oh, I made spins. I made spins one.
You can do it. Kaya mo yan.
It's not there. Yes.
Dito mo patong kasi hindi flat eh.
Yes. Yes.
Hindi flat anak eh. Wait, mama will get book ha. Wait for mama. Patong mo dito.
Okay.
Ito na yung nabuo mo.
Oh. I'm making more.
Wait. Para makita mo na maayos to.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, galing naman talaga. Here, look here. Mamaya na yung board.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, tapusin mo yung puzzle mo.
Yes.
Ang galing naman.
Timing.
Dito, oh. Okay, where?
Here.
No.
Here.
Oh, look for another one.
Oh, a base bunny.
Okay.
Yes, timing.
Galing ah. Patong mo dito, oh, para naka-flat, oh.
Oh.
Okay, how about next one? Oh, nasan yung iba pa? No. Patong mo muna dito, oh. Oh. About the others. Yung iba pa. Number 7 ba to? 7.
Oh, I think I said it.
Ang galing ah.
And right here.
Ang galing ah.
Yes.
Wow.
Stay right here. Spiders.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. Ang galing ah.
I wrote this one.
No.
I wrote this. I wrote this one.
Ang galing ah. Ang galing naman ah.
I wrote this one.
Wow! You did it! Ang galing naman ah.
I finished the puzzle.
You finished the puzzle. How about the next one?
Down. Down here. Down.
Okay. Ay, lagay mo lang dyan. Okay lang yan dyan. Oh. Okay lang yan dyan. Okay lang yan dyan. Dito lang yan.
It's blue.
Okay, about this one naman, oh.
Blue up.
Oh, ito naman, oh.
It's this one. Stitch. Look. Those trees is happy. Happy.
Dito mo ipatong, oh, para flat, oh. Ayan, ang galing naman ng anak ko, ah.
Where's this one? That one. Wheels.
Ang galing, ah. Hmm.
Have this right here. Yes, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Here. No.
Mm-mm.
No.
No.
That's not here. Not here. I have this here. No. Oh. I got this. A happy stamps. A happy. Happy. Happy, happy.
Ang push. Ang galing,
I
ah.
like this.
Mm-mm. Oh. Tapusin mo na, oh. Ano na yung kasunod?
The orange. This one. This
Okay, try mo. Try mo.
Oh, what's this here?
Ang galing, ah.
Yes, this one here.
Ang galing naman. Ang galing, ah. Okay. Ano yung kasunod? Ay, ang galing talaga naman, ah. Oh. You can do it. Ang galing naman. Ano pa yung kasunod?
The down. Upside down.
Upside down.
It's with this.
Usog mo dito, usog mo. Oh. Para maano.
This one.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Hindi po, hindi po. Niloloko mo ako, ah.
Yes.
No, hindi po.
Yes.
Hindi po. Alis mo. Niloloko mo na ako, ah. How about the next one? No. Loko mo si mama. Loko. Oh, asa na yung next? Ilatag mo ganyan, oh, para makita mo. Oh.
What about this?
No. Niloko mo ako, ah.
How about this?
Good job. Dito mo sa flat, may ilagay dito sa flat, oh. Pag dikitin mo dito sa flat, lumulubog dyan sa sofa.
Let's do it.
Okay, you can try again.
This. Right here.
Okay, push mo. Push. Ano yung ma-push? Bakit? Galing nga. O, saan to? Saan na to sila? Saan na to? Puti. Saan na yan? No. Ayos kasi. Lagay mo na to. Saan to?
Yes.
No.
I feel this.
Ang galing, ah. Ang galing naman to. Ay, push mo.
Yes. I feel this.
Tapos na. Oh, try mo. Tignan mo, opo. Tignan mo po kung saan po yan.
I think this one.
Oh, tignan mo. You can do it.
It's
You can do it. Patapos na eh. Oh. Tingnan mo na, oh. Saan po?
Open it.
Ang dami ceremonies. O, tingnan mo na dito. O, dito na. Matusok ang mata, ah.
This one.
Tingnan na. You can do it. Oh, you want Mama to try. Maybe this one?
No.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Kilis tayo naman.
No.
No.
Yeah. That's enough.
No. Kilis tayo naman.
Okay. Yes. 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 Yes.
Try again. We need help na. Okay. Oh, this one. Oh, how about the other one? Get more. Oh. Wow, galing ah. Yan oh, hawak mo na eh. Ito, hawak mo na eh. You can try. Oh. Ikot mo kasi. Ikot. Ikot mo ganyan. Oh. Good job! Ito na yung natapos ni Kaylee. Ang dami nang natapos ni Kaylee. Ito na. Isa pa. May isa pa.
Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.